s raised to power 2s plus s raised to power s is equal to 20. What is the value of s? Solution. We have s raised to power 2 to the power of s plus s raised to power s is equal to 20, because take note of this, that if you have a raised to power n to the power of m is equal to a raised to power nm, this is equal to a raised to power m to the power of n. This can also be written as s raised to power s square from this identity plus s raised to power s minus 20 is equal to 0. Now let s raised to power s is equal to y. Then we have y square plus y minus 20 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Then let's solve this using factorization method. Here the product is minus 4 times 5. This is equal to minus 20. And from here, the sum will be what? Minus 4 plus 5. This is equal to 1. So let's substitute. Y square minus 4y plus 5y minus 20 is equal to 0. Y is common here. Y bracket y minus 4 plus 5 bracket y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now y minus 4 is common. Y minus 4 bracket y plus this 5 is equal to 0. Now let's see, there are two cases here. Y minus 4 is equal to 0, or from the second case, y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now let's consider this y minus 4. Then y minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 4. Or let's consider this case. Y plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to minus 5. But s raised to power s is equal to y. Now s raised to power s is equal to 4, or s raised to power s is equal to minus 5. But this exponential function cannot be equal to negative, so this is rejected. The only resolution we have is this. S raised to power s is equal to 4. Then s raised to power s is equal to 4 can be written as 2 square. Now, if you look at this very well, the base is equal to 2 and the exponent is equal to 2. Therefore, s is equal to 2. This is the final answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. we have the given equation s raised to power 2s plus s raised to power s is equal to 20 when s is equal to 2. 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 2 plus 2 raised to power 2 must be equal to 20. This is 2 raised to power 2 times 2, 4, plus 2 raised to power 2 is 4, must be equal to 20. Then 2 raised to power 4 is 16, plus 4 must be equal to 20. Let's add together. 16 plus 4, 20 is equal to 20, which satisfies the given equation at s is equal to 2.